computer literacy at an old age. At an old age. Welcome to the Kids Say podcast. My name is Peace, and this podcast is all about giving children a voice on the issues that matter the most. We delve into important topics that may not be covered in school or that may not be heard in the community, but are essential to children to understand in order to navigate the complex world we live in. Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Kids Say podcast. I'm your host Peace, and today we are delving into a topic that is very important in our fast-paced digital world: computer literacy. So get ready to unlock the secrets of the tech world and discover why it is very important for us as children to discover the power of computers. So let's talk about the advantages of being computer literate. There are so many advantages of being computer literate. First and foremost, computer literacy opens up a new world of possibilities for us. Computers can help ease work for you. You can listen to music and write at the same time. You can do many things at the same time. It helps us navigate through the digital age with ease and confidence. Plus, it's like having a superpower that can help us in various aspects of life, like communication. Like, I know most of you watching are on Facebook, WhatsApp. It is not easy for you to call, but it is very easy for you to just text a message for the person you want to talk to. That's one way computers make work very easy. One major advantage of computer literacy is gaining coding skills. Coding is like a language of computers, and by learning it, we can create our own websites, apps, and even video games. How cool is that? By becoming young coders, we become creators of digital worlds. We become creators of our own digital worlds, such as games. Games have one of the biggest percentages in creating the digital worlds, like games such as Need for Speed or any other game that you know that I don't know, or even the games that we both know. Games are very important. They help to boost our imagination, and they also help to provide entertainment for us. To show how important it is to start pursuing computer literacy, let's talk about the many jobs that require computer expertise in today's world. There are so many exciting careers that revolve around computers. We have the many software developers who help create computer programs such as games, Need for Speed, Temple Run, any game that you know, play and love. We also have software developers who help create software for us, like Zoom, which you use to do your assignments or homework, and you can use the software to watch movies and write novels, anything that you enjoy doing. We also have big data analysts who help to solve problems. They usually work in top secret government organizations because they solve very big problems which we cannot solve by ourselves. And guess what? Many of these jobs pay really well. Like really well, not even the money you can imagine. What is even more inspiring? Some famous people have become incredibly rich by having a lot of knowledge about computers. Take a moment to imagine these names: Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, and Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of Facebook. They started developing their passion for computers as children and eventually became great successes worldwide that they employed millions and millions of people all over the world. Like, for example, I'm very sure that people surrounding you are using Microsoft, like computers, or they are on Facebook, which is on their phones. And that's the result of the imagination and creativity of the two guys who started pursuing their computer literacy at an early age. Now, you must ask yourself, are there any disadvantages? Yes, they are. Like, sometimes people get obsessed with their computers and lose touch with their friends and family, so they end up becoming lonely people without friends. But you should balance the time you spend on computers and you should balance the time you spend with your family. And you should also find time for digital and non-digital activities. But it is very important to note that it's fundamental for us young people to learn and adopt computer skills. In this era of artificial intelligence and automation, where many jobs are evolving and some may be taken up by machines, by being computer literate and having coding skills, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate, adopt, and thrive in the future job market. It doesn't matter if you want to become a teacher, a lawyer, a surgeon. It doesn't matter any job you want to become. You need to know computer literacy so that you navigate the complex world, because every well-paying job in the future is going to require a very good understanding of computer literacy. So, how can we get started on this exciting journey of computer literacy? Luckily, with the internet, there are plenty of resources available for us young learners. We can start by exploring online coding platforms like Scratch or Code.org, which provide fun and interactive ways to learn the basics of coding. We can also join coding clubs to take coding classes offered in our schools or communities. That is if you go to advanced schools that take computer literacy. Very, very important. Unlike some schools, like some people go to. Also, if you are lucky to know someone who knows a lot about computers, try to learn as much from them as you can, because they will help you find your ground in the digital age. Remember guys, computer literacy is not all about using computers. It is about understanding them, harnessing their power, and becoming creators of the digital world. By embracing the wonders of computers, we become unstoppable. Thank you all for being with me as we explore the importance of computer literacy. Stay curious, stay passionate as we keep exploring the amazing world of technology. Until next time, it's me, Peace. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We really appreciate your feedback. Bye.